Yeah. Shawty Pimp with this jump with my niggas, Mr. K and Reddog solo tape, you know what I'm saying? And we finna kick a little pimpin' for y'all niggas out there, cause it ain't gon' never die.
Mr. K is just smoking sex, drinking yak, kicking back like a man with my nigga Reddog. Some niggas all about our motherfucking hoe, killing when we dealing bitches on the motherfucking track, man. A nigga pimpin' ain't gon' never slack, riding in the cutlass thing, sweating up on them bitches, man. See, you gotta understand it, this is just a pimpin' game, and I gotta play the field, cause a real nigga is trill, booming yang. So you know a true ass nigga making wheels on your ass, and I see them jealous looks on your face. I'm never falling short, bitch. Talk some shit, then you gotta get sprayed with the Glock. Pop, dropping niggas on the spot, cause they tried to test my pimpin'. Oh, now you know I'm never sippin', I claiming sense, but I bet I get my fucking hustle on. Pack with that thing, man. It's that 4x5 tone, that getting in too much gangsta shit. I'ma keep it at a pimpin' level, making cash every day. Man, this shit is so level, bitches on my dick. Why them niggas keep on talking shit? Lay back, kick straight up, pimpin'.
Drinking on the yak, and I'm like, it's a from a black stack. In the bag, cause it's a bug, man. I'm helping north them. Ain't this shit a trip? Pop in my fucking clip, cause I'm bold, and you know that I'm low. Trying to cross the pump territory, man, you must be sick. There could be an easy way to lose your life, you stupid bitch. So I trace this spot, and then I catch a whip, that nigga fast, turn on the red dot. Stop at the victim, then I shoot and say no look. For these bitches, of these hoes in this part of you. Now forever, now I'm about to move into another year. Now forever, let's go to the circle about this stupid hoe. They're the real nigga used to pimp a long time ago, but I ain't gon' say no name, and you know it goes so far. Yeah, you used to look up to me like I was a fucking star. Had that trick up on the corner, making G's left and right, bringing in them bitches in them deals, man, she's out of sight. And my niggas saying, Mike, where'd you find a hoe like that? None of your bitch wear jag, move before I pull my gas, cause I pay, but you might not notice, cause I travel small, 25.